Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get best Left to Survive promo codes in 2025. So for that you have to get to the Google search tab and search for Left to Survive promo code and click on enter, and as you can see multiple websites here. So let's get into the first one, and we can see here Left to Survive promo codes. We'll just scroll down and it says regular updates on Left to Survive promo codes. They provides regular updates, and the, the total number of discovered or issued codes plus 10 active promo codes status x1. So here we can see Left to Survive promo codes in 25. So we have recent promo code like May 20th. So we can just copy it and paste it when we are getting the Left to Survive zombie games, and we can use the promo code like that. And we can also check on other website like this, and here we might get promo codes here also. So here we can see they also gave us the promo code like redeem it this gift code for gold and other exclusive rewards valid until May 20th 2025. So it's the most recent one. So you can say that you can browse multiple websites and get the promo codes, and you have to verify it by copy and pasting it onto your game, and you will get the desired and the one that will work with you. So that's it guys, see you on the next video.